Hello people, how are you? We as kids used to watch many Hollywood spy movies such as James Bond, Mission Impossible, Jason Bourne series and many more. These made us fascinated about living a spy life. Soon Indian film industry caught up to the chase as we got our own spy thrillers such as Gudachari, Ekta Tiger Razi. I mean, who didn't dream about becoming a spy? Even though all these movie scripts originated from actual spy agencies, we can debate about many differences when it comes to the actual reality. When we think about the lifestyle of these secret agents, the James Bond movie strikes our mind and we imagine or dream about the action, investigations, intriguing plots, cars, guns, etc. But does this happen to the spy in reality? India has its own organization of such kind and it is called RAW, Research and Analysis Wing. I am not going to bore you with its description on who is its founding fathers or its history. But this video is on 10 interesting facts about RAW that you might not know. Firstly, an officer in the RAW does not get a gun on duty. This might come as a shock for you, but imagine the political confusion it would create if an Indian in a plain clothes shot somebody in foreign country. So they will need to acquire and use a weapon only if the situation demands. And their best defense is intelligence. So no guns without requirement. And the next fact is, keeping India's nuclear program a top secret was RAW's responsibility. Failure to figure out what Indian scientists and the government were up to is considered to be one of the biggest failures of American CIA, thanks to our RAW. The next fact is, the RAW has been recruiting people from UPSC exams in the past decade. Unlike what many believe, after an assignment is over, the officer is allowed to join back in the original department. So if you don't have the strength of character for RAW, you can always go back. RAW played a major role in merging Sikkim in India. Sikkim was ruled by a Maharaj right from the Indian independence. In 1972, RAW was authorized by Indira Gandhi to install a pro-Indian democratic government there. In less than 3 years, Sikkim became 22nd state of the Indian Union. And the next one. Purpose of RAW agents. Espionage is the practice of spying or of using spies, typically by governments to obtain political and military information. Their purpose is to gather information about another country's activities, protect our citizens against secret and covert operation from other countries. Next, qualities to be a RAW agent. From different cultures and backgrounds, they should have ability to interact effectively with people. Communication skills should be magnificent. Self-management skills with a high level of maturity is required so that they can give a proper judgment according to the situation, and they should have the ability to assess the risks. Self-motivation and determination to achieve the results in any pressure situation and environment. They should possess professionalism and a high level of personal honesty, which also comes through tough training and development programs. And the next fact is, everything will be a secret. If RAW agents are exposed to anyone, they have to stand firm. As we all know that the pressure is everywhere in this work, they need to survive and win under any situation. Even the government rejects them if they were arrested in an operation outside our country. When they die on duty, they will not get any military honors or medals. But if they were successful in completing their missions, they will be saving millions of lives with their work. How selfless are these agents? And next, training of RAW agents. It lasts for a couple of years. Basic training and advanced training are provided to them. Basic training lasts no longer than 10 days, in which they get familiar with the real world of surveillance and intelligence. They will be educated about space technology, information security, energy security, scientific knowledge, financial and economical conditions, and geostrategic analysis. Even they have to read some case studies of other agencies like CIA, ISI, MI6, etc. Advanced training. Now after completing basic training, they are sent to Field Intelligence Bureau, which lasts for about 1 to 2 years, where they are taught how to survive in cold areas, jungles, etc. and also how to manage secret operations. They were also taught infiltration and exfiltration in realistic conditions with how to avoid capture if they were caught and how to face interrogation. They are also supposed to learn art of making contact, skills for operating missions, etc. And the next one, no one has right to question RAW. RAW at any given point of time is not answerable to the Parliament of India on any issue. These same terms keep it out of reach in Right to Information Act. In fact, RAW is only answerable to the Prime Minister of the country and the Joint Intelligence Committee. Final and most important aspect of all, eligibility for working as a RAW agent. The person should be the citizen of our country with no criminal background and drug addiction. Should possess good education from a reputed university with fluency in at least one foreign language. The applicant should be ready to travel any part of the country with a short period of notice. If you dream to join Raw, then it has to be kept secret. You can't even share your identity with the family and friends before applying and after being recruited. If you plan announcing it on Facebook, you can bid goodbye to the dream right this moment. They do not give any recruitment notice and they will select candidates either from any other department or any other recruitment process. Generally, Raw does not recruit candidates directly. They recruit candidates from other government departments in India. Most of the personnel are from Intelligence Bureau. Nowadays, candidates are being recruited directly from universities and colleges too. If you are thinking that only secret agents work there, then you are wrong. Yes, Raw is an organization, so there is a need for everything just like simple office. There is a need of clerks, stenographers, analysts, desk officers, accountants, admin officers, etc. If you are ready to give up everything and just want to serve our country with no recognition and fame even after being so successful at what you do, and all you want is protecting our country, then Raw is for you. And don't ever think that you can hide something about you from Raw. And these are my 10 facts about Research and Analysis Wing of India. So what do you think about it? One of the greatest spy, Ravindra Kaushik, well known as Black Tiger, isn't a civil servant, but a theatre artist. Do you think they should recruit more people regardless of these qualifications? Comment down your views. Please like and share this video with your friends. Jai Hind.